Life is not always easy, but every challenge we face comes with a hidden lesson. Each day brings a new chance to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. Remember, real success does not come overnight. It grows slowly, quietly, with patience, faith, and small daily actions. In a world full of endless noise and distraction, silence becomes powerful. People who don't understand your silence will never understand your words. This is your gentle reminder to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with yourself because peace begins within. Today, we're talking about how to unlock your inner power and live a peaceful, successful life. Every difficult moment you face is not meant to destroy you, it's there to shape you. When life tests you with pain, rejection, or failure, understand that it's helping you discover your true strength. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" The best lessons in life come during the hardest times. So don't be afraid of struggle. It's your greatest teacher. The mountain you climb is not there to block your path, but to show you how strong you can be when you keep moving forward. Growth never happens in comfort. It happens in moments of doubt, effort, and courage. Challenges make you wiser, tougher, and ready for the next level of your journey. Happiness doesn't come from what you have, but from what you think. Your mind is the real source of peace. Stop living in the past and stop worrying about the future, because the only real moment you can control is now. If you can learn to find peace in the present moment, you have already discovered true success. Sometimes, letting go is more powerful than holding on. Let go of anger, fear, and regret. They only take away your energy, your focus, and your light. Trust that every ending brings a beautiful new beginning. Every storm eventually passes, and the sun always returns to shine again. Remember, action creates change. You can't wait for happiness. You must build it every single day. Small, consistent actions create big, lasting results. Start your day with gratitude. Be thankful for what you have, and you'll begin to attract even more reasons to be grateful. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward even when the road feels long and uncertain. Don't compare your journey with others, because your story is unique and your timing is exactly as it should be. Real winners don't quit when things get tough. They rise again, they adapt, and they keep believing in themselves even in silence. Success is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small effort, every tiny step takes you closer to the life you dream of. So, my friend, the secret to happiness and success is simple. Live in the present, trust your path, and never stop growing. Life becomes beautiful when you stop chasing and start appreciating. Every moment is a gift. You have the power to make it meaningful, to turn every setback into strength, and every challenge into wisdom. Thank you for watching. If this message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more positive energy, peace, and motivation every week. Keep shining, keep believing, and remember, you are stronger, braver, and more powerful than you think.